Hi, this is Tyler with Prestige Locksmith, and I would like to personally invite you to browse our new website here. You'll see all of our locksmith services that we have, from 24-hour locksmith, automotive locksmith, motorcycle locksmith, residential locksmith, and beyond. We can help you. Here's our service areas. We serve all of the greater San Diego area and beyond, and we're currently offering discounts for when you become a fan of our Facebook page and share it on your wall to invite other people to become a fan as well. So ask us about that. And here's our Google Plus page, same as with the Google Plus page. If you become a fan of the Google Plus page, share it with your friends in Google Plus. We'll also give you a discount. And our Yelp page. We don't offer discounts for reviews, but we encourage you to leave us a review if you liked our service. And our same goes with our Twitter page. Share it with your Twitter following and ask for a special discount. And last but not least, here's our YouTube channel. We got lots of videos, some fun cartoons, and other how-to stuff for everybody to enjoy. Lots of videos for everyone. So stop by our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video today. Hope to see you soon.